Chinese grammar is relatively simple, but sometimes it can be confusing. You probably has already learned the usage of the in HSK 2, but you might also come across the and the as well. Can you distinguish the usage of these three the? Most people can't tell them apart when these three characters are used as particles. However, it's no wonder people find this confusing, as these characters sound the same and have similar functions when used as particles. In fact, differentiating between these characters isn't difficult. Here is the simplest method to distinguish the usage with the three key rules. First, before noun, use the. For example, 我的书. Shu is a noun, so you should use this the. Using other two the would be incorrect. 一件漂亮的衣服. 衣服 is a noun, so you should use this the. 好吃的食物. 食物 is a noun. Second, before verb, use this the. For example, 快快地跑. 跑 is a verb, so you should use this the. Using the other two would be incorrect. 快乐地玩耍. 玩耍 is a verb, so you should use this the. 慢吞吞地走路. 走路 is a verb, so you should use this the. Third, after verbs or adjectives, use this the. Like for verbs, 吃得开心. 吃 is a verb, so you should use this the after it. Using other two would be incorrect. 雨下得真大. 下 is a verb, so you should use this the after it. 你说得很对. 说 is a verb, so you should use this the. In this example, a more complete sentence would be 你的话说得很对. For adjectives, 红的发紫. 红 is an adjectives, so you should use the after it. Use this too, the would be incorrect. 开心的跳了起来. 开心 is an adjectives, so you should use this the after it. 热得受不了. 热 is an adjectives, so you should use this one rather than these two. To summarize, when using the particle these three the, use this the before nouns, and use this one before verbs, and use this the after verbs or adjectives. So when you encounter a sentence requiring one of these particles, first, determine if it's the word after the particle is a noun or verb. If it's neither, then look at the word before the particle to determine if it's a verb or adjectives. This will help you to decide whether to use this the, this one, or this the. For example, in the sentence 狠狠地打, the primary word is at the end. So we base the choice of the particle on the verb 打, which follows the particle, rather than the adjectives 很狠, which precedes it. In cases like 快乐的小羊, where an adjective is followed by a noun, the particle choices is based on the noun. There are exemptions, such as 开心地跳了起来 and 开心地跳了起来, both of which are correct. The choice between this the and this the depends on whether you are emphasizing emotion or action. In conclusion, by keeping the three main rules in mind, you can mostly differentiate the use of the and this the correctly in various scenarios. So, if you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you would like to know more about Chinese grammar, please click this video. And I will see you next video.